Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is KT. Thank you for clicking. I am showing you how I did this dreaded wig or faux locks or whatever you call them. How I did this myself. Let me see what I can tell y'all for y'all start seeing the hassle I was going through. I used a Cuban twist hair. It came with, I'll insert the picture somewhere. It came, I ordered it off Amazon. It came in a 6-pack. I only used 4 whole packs and then like a couple of strands out of the 5th one. But like I have a whole one left and like most of another one because I only really use like, I had opened that last pack for like 1 dread or like 1.5 dread. So, and I have 27. I already counted, so y'all won't be like, how many dreads you got? Yeah, I have 27. It's 27. You can make it fuller, of course, depending on like how you part it. And you can make the dreads as big and as little as you would like. As you can see, like mine, all of mine aren't the same size. Some of them are a little smaller than the other one, but personally I like the fatter ones better. So I tried to like do the fatter ones on top because I was like, okay, this is the one I like. It was kind of like a trial and error thing. I ain't gonna talk too much. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see how I did it. The curly hair is crochet hair, also ordered off Amazon. I'll insert it because I really don't remember the name of it. And I was kind of upset with the color, but it's doing something. So I guess I'm fine with it. Yeah, so keep watching to see how I get these fox locks or dreadlocks with curlies at the end. Yeah, this is my end. Yeah, so here goes the video, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is my wig. It's a full lace wig. It's old. It's something I already wore before, but it's full lace, so you know you got scalp. Trying to show y'all. Hold on, because for the dreads we gonna need to free part. So I got it pinned down. I'm gonna try to get it together, get my baby hairs out. This is the hair I'm gonna be using. It's the double strand style Cuban twist. This is what I'm doing. I practiced one on my own head just a few minutes ago because I got my real hair out right now. But so that's the beginning of the process. I washed my wig, I conditioned it, and now I'm finna get it together. I'm gonna part it and take my baby hairs out, and then I'm gonna part. Okay, so I parted it, y'all. I tried to do triangle parts. Don't talk about them. But I really just tried to make sure the front was kind of neat, you know, because that's what's gonna matter. And then as far as the back, I kind of just did my best. I think I have 27 in total. I'm gonna count it again. But I did a practice run. It looks good. I just have to go get some curly hair so I can add it and keep going. I'm gonna try to layer them so like all of them won't be this long, you know? And then whenever I finish, because I'm not gonna finish today, but whenever I finish, I'll show y'all how I actually did the actual dread, because pretty cool. Okay, y'all, so show y'all how I'm doing it. And I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of looking a mess, but you know what, I'm gonna keep going. So I'm using 3 of these for each one, 3 of these little pieces for each one, and then I'm using this like curly crochet hair. And let me tell y'all that I'm kind of upset because I thought it was gonna be black and blonde or brown, but it's brown and browner, you know, like it's not black. So I did one right here, if y'all can see. It's kind of cute thrown in there, but I'm just hoping that it all look cute later. So the ends are coming out like this. Okay, don't worry about. See y'all, this one kind of ugly. I'm gonna go back and fix it, but this one's kind of cute. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just keep going. So let me show y'all how I'm doing it. So with the ones with the curls at the top, give me a piece of hair. I kind of split it up because like I don't need a lot of hair, you know, coming from it. Like, I just need some. So I'm basically using like this little piece. And then on the braid one that has no dread yet, I'm gonna put it on there like this. I'm gonna switch it because that side look more prettier. Okay. So boom, take it down, make it a little longer. Boom. Y'all can see that? Can y'all see that? This is the curl. Okay. You take one dread piece and then you do some of it down and some of it up. I don't feel like y'all can see that well. Okay, so this is a dread piece. Some of it's gonna go down here, and then this little piece, you wanna take the curl and throw it over the head. Take the dread, and then you're gonna start wrapping it around like 3-4 times. I'm gonna do it one more time. Okay, now you hold all of this now. All of this in one hand. Of Cuban twist hair. This is my second piece. And then I'm gonna do the same thing, just not as short, because that one is to measure how long I want it. I'm kind of layering mine, so you take this piece, wrap it, and then start coming down. And then you just keep on wrapping. Put the little piece down here, hold it, and then wrap it. And then you start bringing it down. You don't have to wrap it as much as you did at the top. You just gotta start bringing it down. Now you can wrap it as loose and as tight as you see fit. Some of these I be having to wrap tight because it'll be like the pieces aren't like just proportionately separated. So some of the pieces are a little thicker than the other ones. So I go a little tighter on some, and I practice at the back. So like this one, in instance, at the back is real tight and it's kind of small. I don't know if y'all can tell. Versus like this one, you know, like, but I decided I didn't want the little ones, so I had started making them all kind of juicy and big. Once you get to where you feel like you need to start adding your curly hair, you kind of stop, and then I braid my curly hair into this, the piece we wrapping right here. I'm just moving it out of my way. And then this the curly hair, and then this the first piece. So I'm just gonna do it like this, wrap it around like that, and then I'm gonna start braiding it. And start wrapping again. So once you get to the end down here, I'm taking this piece that's hanging And I'm going to use that to wrap around the end. And once I cover up what needs to be covered up, I'm going to start wrapping it back up. And then I'm going to take my lighter and just kind of melt that on there. And boom. And then take the hair down. And that's a dread with the curl in it. It's a little raggedy at the bottom, but you know, it's okay. I will let y'all know how it held up, because I'm finna put it on. And then what else? So I have a lot of bottoms to finish, because I did like the top of a lot of Okay, so this is how they came out. I made me some big baby hairs, and it's so cute. They are kind of long. I'm not too crazy about my curl pattern that I got, but it's still cute. I like how it's kind of puffy on the ends, but yeah, so y'all know I'll probably wear it like this mostly, with the top up. I think it's really cute, and it's really not heavy at all. I made my parts up here real kind of neat, so you know you can't play with me. So this is the finished look. I am really loving it. I would definitely do my back ones thicker if I had to redo it, because just to fill it in back there, but other than that, they're pretty cool. And I can put them up. Thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, go and subscribe to my channel and let me know more videos that y'all want to see. And yeah, thank you. See you next time.